Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the new some concept in chemistry. Yesterday we also discussed some concept of chemistry like that of what element is what, atom, molecule, types of compound, types of molecule. Today we discuss here the some basic concept of what here in organic chemistry as well as in inorganic chemistry. Clear? So first of all we take here the point is there first chemical reactions. What is chemical reaction? Second, in chemical reaction, what is reactant? Is also called as substrate. What here? Substrate. Third, what is product? What is product? Fourth, what is catalyst? Fifth, what is bond? What is bond? And sixth, what we take here? Sixth point we take here the atomic number. Atomic number. Okay, it's a basic concept in the organic as well as what here inorganic chemistry. Clear? Now we take the first. What is the chemical reactions? What here? What is the chemical reactions? So the chemical reaction is defined as when two or more reactant or react. When two or more reactant or react to form a new product called as the chemical reactions. It means in the chemical reaction, two or more reactant or react or join together to form the new product called as the chemical reactions. For example, formation of carbon dioxide. You know what is the formula of carbon dioxide? The CO2 is the formula of carbon dioxide. Clear बेटा? अब हमको रिएक्शन देखें एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन एग्जांपल. So when a C plus O2 is react to form the CO2. The CO2 is called what here? The CO2 called as carbon dioxide gas. Clear? Okay. So when C is react with oxygen to form the CO2. It means this C, this carbon are act as a reactant. Whereas this also what act as what here? Reaction. The CO2 is called what here? Product. What here? Product. So what is chemical reaction? So when a two or more reactant or react, to form a new product called as what here? Chemical reactions. In the chemical reaction, the number of atoms does not change. Only change the what here? The molecule. Clear? It means if it in this molecule, how many atoms we take? One carbon, two oxygen. Is how many? One carbon, two oxygen. Is how many atoms? Three atoms. It also one carbon and two one carbon and two oxygen called as the three atom. It means atom are as it is. Only change the what here? The phase of a atom. It means when two or more reactant are react to form a new product called as the chemical reactions. कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन लेते हैं बेटा आप, तो उसमें आपको जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शन होगी उसमें न्यू प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. बिकॉज द केमिकल रिएक्शन आल्सो हैव टू टाइप्स, physical change and chemical change. Clear? It means physical change is also called as the temporary change, whereas the chemical change is also called as what here? Permanent change. For example, changing the ice into water or water into ice, it is example of physical change. So the physical change means temporary change. यानी जो change recycle होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Physical change. Clear? And second is called as chemical change, means permanent change. So it is a chemical reaction. In the chemical reaction, the reaction in which reactant are permanently changed called as the chemical reaction. It means the chemical change is also called as the what here? Permanent change. For example, if you change what here? The curd, what milk into curd. milk into curd, it is an example of chemical change. Or when we burn the wood, it changes into what here? When we burn the wood, it changes what here? Carbon. It is called as permanent change. Permanent change is also called as chemical change. It means one type of the reaction take place, does not reverse this reaction, called as the permanent change, chemical change. Whereas physical change means a temporary change. This change is called as recycle, remolded. यानी अगर हम रिएक्शंस करते हैं तो रिएक्शन में जो रिएक्टेंट जो पार्टिसिपेट करेगा वो एक ही बार में प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा, उसके बाद वो रिएक्शन रिवर्स नहीं होगी। क्लियर? सेकंड रिएक्शन जो बताया आपको फिजिकल चेंज मतलब टेम्परेरी चेंज होता है, जिसमें रिएक्टेंट चेंज होगा। इट मींस सब्सटेंस चेंज इनटू अनदर फेज एंड दिस अनदर फेज आल्सो चेंज इनटू फर्स्ट फेज, कॉल्ड एज फिजिकल चेंज। बट हियर वी डिस्कस द केमिकल चेंज. Chemical change means what here? Permanent change. So when two reactors are react to form a new product, what here? To form a product, new product is called as the chemical reactions. Clear? Now some topic in the chemical reactions. What here? Reactant. What is reactant? What is product? In the chemical reaction, one atom is initial called as reactant and final called as product. So what is reactant and what is product? We discuss here in basic concept. What is reactant? Reactant is also called as substrate. Reactant is also called what here? Substrate. What is reactant? The initial atom, the starting atom or starting substance will take part in the chemical reactions called as a reactant. The initial or starting material or substance which take part in the chemical reactions called as a reactant. For example, in the formation of CO2, is carbon dioxide, the carbon and oxygen are act as what here? This carbon and oxygen are act as reactant. What here? Reactant or substrate. This reactant is also called as what here? Substrate. Okay. Now second, point number second, product. In the chemical reaction, what is the meaning or what is the differential product? So point number third, product. The product means after the chemical reaction, new substance is formed. After the chemical reactions, new substance is formed called as a product. Called as what here? Product. For example, in the chemical reaction of carbon with oxygen to form the CO2 is called as the formation of a new product. So CO2, it acts as what here? This CO2 are act as product. Clear? It means in the chemical reactions, the formation of new substance is called as what here? Product. So what is product? In the chemical reaction, formation of new substance is called as what here? Product. Clear? Point number 4. What is catalyst? Some chemical reaction does not take place without catalyst. हर रिएक्शन 80% जो रिएक्शन होती है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट होती है जो अवेलेबल लिखते हैं लोग. फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक द Ni ऑब्लिक व्हाट हियर Na2CO3 और जो भी आपको एग्जांपल लेना है. क्लियर? द स्पेशल कैटलिस्ट आर यूज्ड इन द स्पेशल केमिकल रिएक्शंस. सो व्हाट इज कैटलिस्ट? सो कैटलिस्ट इज डिफाइंड एज इट इज अ केमिकल सब्सटेंस which does not take part in the chemical reactions, but it increases the speed of reactions called as the what here? Catalyst. Okay. Here in this reaction, if we change the what here? Vegetable oils plus hydrogenation in presence of Ni, this reaction change to what here? वनस्पति घी. It means in this reaction the oil comes from the what here? The oil comes from the vegetable. What here? Vegetables. So vegetable oils on hydrogenation is addition of hydrogen. So any process when we added a hydrogen called as reductions. Here what here? Called as reduction. It means when an oil is react with what here? Hydrogen in presence of Ni called as nickel. Nickel is an example of what here? Catalyst. So what is catalyst? It is defined as it is a chemical substance which does not take part in the chemical reaction. It fastly change the reactant into product. समझ आ गया बेटा आपको? यानी रिएक्शन अगर इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट हो रही है तो जो रिएक्शन 1 घंटे में होती है, अगर उसमें रिएक्शन कैटलिस्ट यूज किया जा रहा है तो रिएक्शन आधे घंटे में हो जाती है. यानी द स्पीड और स्पीड मीन्स द चेंजिंग द रिएक्टर इनटू प्रोडक्ट फास्ट सब्सटेंस catalyst. So some chemical reaction are take in presence of catalyst. So what is catalyst? It is a chemical substance which does not take part in the chemical reaction. It speed the reaction or it change the reactant fastly into product called as catalyst. Okay. For example, in a simple like spoon, चमचा बोलते हैं उसमें ना, स्पून चमचा जो होता है तो क्या करता है, जो भी सब्जी हम बनाते हैं उसको मिक्स करता है. So same thing, the spoon is the example of what here, in a simple example of what here, catalyst. So catalyst is also the simple example of what here, spoon, which easily fastly change the what here, food into prepared or cooked food. Clear? So chamcha means a spoon is the best example of what here, catalyst in a simple language. क्लियर बेटा? आपको पता है कि जो स्पून होता है वो फास्टली जो चीज दो चीज को फेस को मिक्स करता है. तो सेम थिंग ये जो कैटलिस्ट है यहाँ पर क्या सपोज करेंगे हम लोग, स्पून सपोज करेंगे स्पून, और स्पून क्या करेगा, दोनों रिएक्टेंट को फास्टली रिएक्ट करेगा और फास्ट चेंज क्या करेगा, प्रोडक्ट. इसको बोलते हैं क्या हम लोग, कैटलिस्ट. ये क्वेश्चन आपको आता है. डिफाइन द कैटलिस्ट. सो इट इज डिफाइंड एज इट इज अ केमिकल सब्सटेंस which does not take part in the chemical reaction but it speed the rate of reaction or change the reactant fastly into product called as catalyst. Called as what here? Catalyst. Clear? For example, when we change the oil into vanaspati ghee, when we change the oils into vanaspati ghee, the ni called as nickel are act as catalyst. Clear? Okay. Now next, what is bond? What here? We take here what is bond. So bond is what? So there are different types of bond. First of all, what is bond? Bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together. The electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together called as a bond. For example, in a CO2, it also write in the form of CO2. Both are same, CO2 or CO2. It is a closed form, it is a open form. The CO2 is a molecular formula of carbon dioxide. It is a closed form, wherein it is a C double bond O. It's called what here? Open form. Clear beta? The closed form is CO2, the open form. Both are the molecular formula of what here? Carbon dioxide. It is a molecular formula, it is structural formula. Clear? So what is bond? The electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together. ये जो दो एटम है बेटा, these are act as bond. It may be single bond, double bond, triple bond, depend upon the hydrocarbon. Clear? So the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together. For example, A single bond B. So the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms, A atom B atom, which together, ये बॉन्ड क्या करते हैं, दोनों को आपस में ज्वाइन करते हैं, इसे क्या बोलते हैं, बॉन्ड. So what is bond? Bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together. For example, this atom are joined. These are act as, this middle position act as what here, bond. Or what is bond? The electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together called as a bond. Depend upon the atom, there is a different types of bond. It may be covalent bond, it may be ionic bond, it may be hydrogen bond, it may be metallic bond. Clear? It may be sigma bond, it may be pi bond. Clear? So what is bond? The bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held together two atoms together called as what here, bond. What here, bond. Clear बेटा? So देखो हमने यहाँ पर क्या पढ़ा बेटा, पहले In the basic concept of chemistry, it is the chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? So it is defined as when a two or more reactor are react to form a new product called as the chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is also called as the permanent change. Clear? Okay. Now second, in the chemical reaction, some substance are used. For example, reactant. So second point with the reactant or reactant is also called as substrate. Define the reactant. So the initial substance or starting material which take part in the chemical reaction called as reactant. Third point, product. What is product? After the chemical reaction, the new species is formed called as what here? Product. Clear? For example, the C plus O2 is a reactant. CO2 called as the new product. Next, catalyst. What is catalyst? It is a chemical substance which does not take part in the chemical reaction, but it increase the rate of reaction or speed of reaction or change the reactant fastly into product called as catalyst. For example, when we change the vegetable oils into vanaspati ghee, the NIR act as catalyst. For example, it is act as what here? Spoon. Clear? Okay. Next, what is bond? So bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atoms together called as a bond. Bond में भी different types depend upon the atom. वो जो types of bond हम लोग कल देखेंगे इसको. जो next lecture है हमारा उसमें हम लोग types of bond देखेंगे. ठीक है? Clear? So ये आपको समझ में आया बेटा? आपको इसकी notes प्रिपेयर करनी है आपको. क्लियर है? और कुछ डॉट्स से क्लियर करना है मुझसे कॉल करके. ठीक है? क्लियर? इजी है. केमिकल रिएक्शंस में कौन-कौन से मतलब एटम यूज हुए हैं उसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा यहाँ पर. उसके बाद में कैटेलिस्ट क्या होता है, बॉन्ड क्या होता है. ठीक है? क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.